All right, guys, welcome to Street Machine Nationals 2026. It's the 18th day of July 2026, and it's your host, Cal Shit. Hope you enjoyed the Back to 50s, and the PT Cruiser went down the road. So I like this show. It was $22 to get in. Got off work early. It's a little hot all week long. This will be out later, obviously. And so next we'll be up Orange Beach, but it was really bad here. The weather was extremely, the smoke was bad. So you can see a lot of Impalas, like a lot of AMCs. You can see a lot of stuff here. So let's kind of walk around here, but welcome to the video. First one. Appreciate everybody likes, dislikes, whatever. Say anything, but welcome, welcome, welcome. Let's go. So you can see all kinds of different kind of cars here. And you see GTOs, something like this. I mean, I don't know, not a big deal. It's someone's, I could bring my PT Cruiser here. You got some Novas over here. It's a pretty cool car right here. I love the engines and these things. Little Outlaws in the background there. 396. Just love how you can get at everything. Fuel pumps down there. It's just a beautiful car. Guarantee that sucker's hot, but nice interior. Oh yeah, manual. This is pretty cool over here. And the beauty of having two cameras with me, I can take pictures of the damn thing. Perfect. So, beautiful car. That is GTO 65. You wouldn't see this at the Back to 50s because they won't let it in there. So, take a picture of that bad boy. This is a great show. I always love coming here. Whatever that thing is. So, all kinds of different cars here. It's not as popular as the Back to 50s, but it's still a family kind of a facility here. You see a lot of Camaros, unique vehicles.
Stay close, Bo.
Kind of a got a nice Jeep here. Trucks. All kinds of unique vehicles. If you're a car nut, this is a great one to come to. So I've seen this one before. This is Back to 50s. Listen to the Outlaws in the background. Green grass and high tides. For only one video I didn't share revenue on, which is not a big deal. As long as it's pushed out, I don't care. More people can see it. So, but it's a great. This is kind of a cool one, like this old Silverado. As Adam the Woo would always say, "Classic car alert." I miss the Woo. This is nice. Look at this bad boy, huh? Oh my god. SS. Look at that bad boy. Oh my word. Whew. Nice. That's a nice vehicle. Very, very nice. Whew. Okay. My 454. Put the top down, bro. I miss my PT Cruiser already. I miss it. But I wasn't going to spend that much money, $3 to get the damn thing fixed. But life goes on. Anyway, Falls a Challenge to that Sebring. Nice classic Trans Am right here. Look at that bad boy. Nice. I love these Cutlasses. These are nice. See, you're not gonna. I love these beautiful car. It's too bad it doesn't have the top down. I mean the trunk up, the hood up. Excuse me. Can't even speak. I love how it's just classic. Man, beautiful car. This is the kind of car you drive around town in. A lot of times you can look and we'll tell you what year it is right there. The old days you could look on there. So cruising 72, so it's a 72 Cutlass. It's gorgeous, very, very nice. My 65 Chevy Impala was red. So very nice. Get a picture of it right here. I put a lot of stuff on my calendar I make for myself when I go on these little adventures. So these Mustangs are nice. Those It'd be nice to have a Mustang or a Corvette collection. I'd like to have an AMC collection if I had my choice, or an Impala collection. But money and space are a high commodity. That's a nice one. Interesting. Look at that bad boy. Very nice. What year's that bad boy? Nice. It is a 70 CUDA. Nice. That's a tool around in. Very nice. Oof. Nice. It's nice. Interesting vehicle. Old school. Like I said, you'll see all kinds of interesting vehicles that you're not going to see back in the 50s. That's the beauty of the show. They're all over the country too as well. Here's 70 Impala right here. 69, I think maybe 69. I love it. Classic. Biscayne. That one's a rare. You don't see a lot of Biscaynes. Very, very nice. Look at that. Heck yeah. Look at that. Very cool. But this is a collector. I think it might be a 69. I gotta be careful when I go over there. Gotta kind of walk away from all that music over there. Nice. The white beast, you want to call that bad boy. I think that might be a 70. I have no idea. Couldn't tell you. 69, I don't know.
Watching two kids at the same time. Like,
very nice.
Vacation's more for them. Yeah, it's more for them.
Let's walk over here. Some Monte Carlos over here. And you'll see some 75 Monte Carlos. If you ever get a chance to buy 75, get it, because a lot of them were crashed up in Enduros. Kind of a cool one. Look at this one right over here. It's a classic right here. The classic four-door. Might be a Caprice, I don't know.
Oh yeah, the park guy. Yeah.
Classic. Bench seat, you can fit 3 people if you need it in there.
My dad takes me there, and
Very nice.
there, a guy
Corvette collection. I graduated 81. I have an 81 Corvette. That'd be nice. The year I graduated, very, very nice. Very, very interesting stuff. Look at that bad boy. Holy moly. Oh yeah. Love that one. That bad boy. Galaxy. That deserves a picture. Very nice. It's another nice bad boy. But there's cruising around, but they're not as much as they are in the back of 50s. But this is a nice one right here too as well. Very, very nice. Oh, look at this engine here, guys. It's a 1973. My next frame has one just like this, but it's blue. CUDA. Very nice. Badger, nice. He drives around once in a while. That's a nice Buick. Like I said, this is the show where you're not going to see. You're going to see a lot of unique vehicles that, you know, one of a kind, whatever it may be. So, like over there, that pickup truck is kind of cool. So, I think hell of a nice Mercedes. Look at that. Beautiful. Look at that bad boy. Very nice. Yep. Take a picture, it lasts longer, right? This one's kind of cool. I like this one in town in Hopkins. A guy has one like this one. I think it might be. So Ranchero, there's a young man on YouTube. Him and his dad love 59 Rancheros. Look him up. I've told you before. He's very good. Nice. Get over here to the SS over here. Get over here. That's nice. These are some cool 396. Very nice. Oh yeah. Another Chevelle. We gotta take a picture of this bad boy. Heck yeah. Anyways, guys, keep these like 11 minutes for you guys to enjoy. Oh, 67 Chevy SS. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, look at that bad boy. Yep, the SS. 427. Trust me, that stock deserves a picture. Oh yeah. Impala collection would be doable and would be fun. Someday. My next life. All right, there's your first video here.